In this video, we will learn how to insert lead pencil symbol in Microsoft Word document like I have already inserted. So let's start. Okay, there is a specific code to insert the lead pencil symbol in Microsoft Word document, and that short key or code is 1F589. When you have written this code, you have to select it. After selecting, you have to press two button, that is Alt plus X. Okay, I am going to select it. After selecting, you have to press Alt X, and your code will be automatically changed into the pencil symbol. By default, the color of pencil will be black. Like I am going to again make it black in this way. And you can change the color of lead pencil according to your requirement to be used in Microsoft Word document. Like you can see that this is changed into red color. This is going to be in black color. This is going to be in blue color as per your requirement in Microsoft Word. But I am giving this color to it. Now you can also assign a background color to it. Like this is a green background color and this is yellow or this is black. You can give any background color to it to be used in your Microsoft Word document. Thank you for watching. You can subscribe this channel for more latest videos.